Alright, so they added a new mob on this map, by the way.
Yeah.
And let's just say, don't try to steal its eggs.
I don't know. I don't think I could walk by without him killing me.
Oh, he's looking right at me.
Oh!
Shit! So doing after me.
You gotta go chase that for a run.
It's all yours now, Jake!
It's like destroying everything. How is he still alive?
Dude, start the shit!
How is he still alive?
Oh my god, start the fucking shit. Yeah, watch this.
Alright, can you...
I'd like to thank all the viewers today, and I would like to thank our sponsor, our first sponsor, NIAR, and BetterHelp.
Why don't you tell the viewers a story about when you needed BetterHelp? Thomas, tell us one of the moments where you felt like you should try BetterHelp. What I would recommend to all my friends is to do BetterHelp.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
I see something in there. You wanna go check it out?
What do you think that is?
I don't know, I think you should go check it out though. Maybe it's got some loot.
Gage, I think there's a gold bar back there to the left.
Wait, I think it bends in there. Joseph! Joseph!
My god, I'm in like a weird...
Shut up!
Oh, gay!
The dog's
Oh,
gonna
from where?
turn the
Oh my God.
horn. Weren't you and Luke like some of the best at the jumping thing in the world? See ya!
What?
Oh shit.
I'm up here already.
Send it down! And then bring it back up, okay? Please don't tell me you can't.
Do I bring it up?
Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up! Okay. That's the what?
Old phone. Guys. Oh my god.
Ben, are you dead? Ben, are you dead?
Oh my god, he's right there. That's so creepy.
Dude,
I can't
dude, he just
goon.
made the
I
noise.
can't goon. I can't goon.
He thinks it's
Tom.
Oh, it's a troll! Oh my god! It's a troll! It's a troll!
There's three of them. There's
Oh
my god. No way.
Stay here.
Wait, what?
What is going on? No way. No way. No way.
Fuck this game.
You didn't know? You didn't know?
Stamina, come back.
No, bro,
Oh my
he has
God.
face on.